Hello there, Jonathan again from COHO, coming at you with another new product update within the COHO system. And today we're going to be focusing on the new transactions area that you see here. Now, transactions will allow you to download a CSV file from your bank account with all of your rental income and then upload it into COHO and match against those rent records and reference numbers that are applied to your tenants. So what I'll do is I'll show you exactly how that works. As always, at the end, if there's any questions, do just jump on myself or the team. But for now, this is the COHO transactions area. So to get there, you will go to the transactions panel here in quick access, which will open up a new area here. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is, as I mentioned before, export a CSV file, and it must be a CSV file for it to work within COHO. So download that from your bank account and upload it into the COHO system. To do so, you click this blue Upload a CSV button, which opens up the Import Transaction Items area. You can select which bank account. You probably can't see the list here, but there's Bank of Scotland, HSBC, Lloyds, etc. There's a huge range of them. But for today, we'll be selecting Barclays. You can then give it a name. I've just called mine Rent, but you can give yours Client Money. It can be a totally different naming convention. You can add multiple ones for that, just so you can select it on different occasions. You then choose your file that you have downloaded. I'll grab one here and upload it. Now, what we'll do as a system is we will look to map three key areas: the date, the amount, and the reference. And that is the payment reference as used by the tenant. To check that information, we have this little preview screen here. So we have the date, which looks like it matches, as does the reference, as does the amount. You'll see here that is a expense, which we'll be able to deal with shortly. You then check these ones, and again, that looks fine. Rental amount 500, reference, all looks good. Same there. So what we'll now do is hit the import button. And then what we need to do, because it's only bringing in that one expense transaction, we'll need to make sure we set a date range that we're looking to focus on. So we're going to go back to, let's say December, and we're going to punch through until today, and then just click the filter button. That now pulls through those three items that I had on my CSV file. But because we're looking to just look at rental income here, you have the opportunity now to remove all of the expense items. And to do so, you just need to select this. That's an expense. And I'm going to say ignore checked transactions. If you've got multiple, you can do the multi-select. But I'm just going to hit ignore checked transactions. And that now gets rid of that. So that now gives me those options. And really simply, what I need to do is I just need to click View, and that opens that up. I know that that is Humber Grove. So I'm going to select the property at Humber Grove that relates to. It is 12 Humber Grove. The tenancy is Rosa here. I lost that for a moment. The amount paid, yes. Paid on that date, yes. And that's the information that's being pulled through from the CSV file. Payment method was direct or bank transfer. Any notes you can apply. They're saying that this is the one that was due on the 1st of February, which has now been paid. And you simply click Save. And it's as simple as that. So you just need to go through the process for each of your rent items. So the CSV file will show that it's been paid. You just need to mark on COHO that it has been paid. So the COHO system gets updated. It's a process that currently you'd be doing by opening up your bank account and matching. So it should save you a huge amount of time by doing it directly within COHO. As I said at the beginning, any questions, please do just reach out. We hope you find this super useful. It saves you a bunch of time and it makes your whole process with COHO fast, slicker, and fast smoother. For now, have a great day.